engines hum in the fading light. A line of cars stretching out of sight. Suitcases packed with hope and dreams, rolling westward in silver streams. Windows down as the warm wind calls, leaving behind familiar walls. Hearts beat steady in a shared embrace, moving together toward a brand new place. The caravan driving to the setting sun, linked by the promise of what's to come. Side by side on the open road, sharing the weight of each new load toward horizons painted gold and bright, chasing tomorrow in the soft twilight. Stories traded in the quiet ride, past and future flowing side by side. Some things lost and some things saved, as they journey down the path they've paved. Unknown roads stretch before their eyes, yet hope grows strong beneath the skies. The bond they share lights the way ahead, their common purpose gently led. A caravan driving to the setting sun, linked by the promise of what's to come. Side by side on the open road, sharing the weight of each new load toward horizons painted gold and bright, chasing tomorrow in the soft twilight. The road becomes home when the dream